We all want more rizq in this life, right? Rizq isn't just more money, but it's also, for example, good health, good character, a good relationship with your family and friends, or a better job, for example. We all want that. But how can you get more rizq? Allah actually tells us how in the Quran. So come with me to Surah Nuh and download the Quran app and follow along. Allah says, فَقُلْتُ اسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّكُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ غَفَّارًا. Seek forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ask Him for His forgiveness. Estagfirullah wa etubu ilejhi. What happens if you ask Allah for His forgiveness constantly? يُرْسِلِ السَّمَاءَ عَلَيْكُمْ مِدْرَارًا. He sends the sky raining upon you. With rain comes blessings, provisions. Water is the source of life. So He will give you a lot of amazing things, Allah is saying. وَيُمْدِدْكُمْ بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ. And He will increase you in children and in wealth. You want more money? You want children? Then ask Allah for His forgiveness more. So if you seek Allah's forgiveness, this is how you get more rizq. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, in one sitting, he would ask Allah's forgiveness 70 to 100 times. So if that's the Prophet, then how about you and how about me? Astaghfirullah wa atubu ilayh. Assalamu alaikum.